Okay, so after we learned several tools that was actually helping us to prevent ourselves from being tricked by any phishing hyperlinks, any phishing email addresses. So right now I'm teaching you some actually security extensions to your browser. So right now actually I'm giving you some examples for the Chrome browser, but of course you can actually search for similar extensions for your favorite browser, not only Google Chrome. So the first extension right here is the Avast Online Security and Privacy. Actually, this extension is very powerful, and I tried a lot of security extensions before, but this one actually it's very good because it's actually integrated with all of the blacklisted databases. So it will actually check any hyperlink that you are going to open, any email address, anything okay that you receive, and check actually the security of this phishing hyperlink. Okay, and as you can see it has been installed actually by more than 10 million users till now, so it's a very trusted security extensions. And I know actually there are a lot of security extensions out there, but why I am recommending this one for you, because when I actually tried a lot of security extensions, the only one was actually managed to detect all of the phishing hyperlinks or of the phishing templates that we are going to use. Actually, the only extension was successfully managed to stop all of this kind of stuff was the Avast online security and privacy extensions. This one. Our next extension right here is the Malware and URL Scanner. This extension actually is also very popular, and as you can see right here, it's giving you actually the ability to check if the IP address or the domain of the phishing hyperlink is trusted or is trusted or not, and it's actually giving you screenshots of um, of the web page before you open the web page itself. Okay, so you can actually check something like this to protect yourself from being tracked by this kind of phishing hyperlinks. And also it's integrated by a lot of third parties anti-phishing platforms, like for example VirusTotal and URL Scan. So all of these actually platforms is integrated with this extension, so you don't actually have to worry about it. As you can see, it's integrated with DNS information gathering platforms. So it will actually gives you a lot of information about the hyperlink that you are going to open, and also a lot of information from the third parties anti-phishing platforms, and also the history of the domain address that you are going to visit. The third extension right here, it's called a Phish detector. It's actually using some smart mechanism to detect the phishing templates or the phishing web pages. And actually, it's working as the following. It will actually scan the HTML source code of the phishing web page and compare actually it with the original domain. So it will actually capture the phishing domain right here, and it will actually scan the HTML code to of this web page and compares them actually at Google to the original website. And at this point, actually, it will find out if this web page is a cloned web page from another original website. So as you can see right here, it's actually compared the content of the web page according to the domain address right here. So if actually it detected something malicious, so it will actually give you a notification right here. So you can actually stop browsing this web page and stop inserting any login credentials or any sensitive information. Okay, our next security extension right here is the Iframe Detector, because as you saw during our training course, one of the hacking methods actually the hackers is using nowadays is to trick you by implementing a phishing iframe. So the phishing web page will be hidden behind this iframe. So of course you have to protect yourself from this kind of hacking scenario by activating a security extension on your browser that actually notify you and give you a warning if you open any web page containing any hidden iframe. And as you can see, this extension is containing actually this functionality, so it will actually give you a red color alarm right here, telling you that this page actually is containing a hidden iframe web page. As you can see, if you click on the icon right here, it will give you actually the real URL, the real hyperlink behind this hidden iframe. And in this moment, actually, you will find out it's a phishing hacking scenario, and you will not be tricked by this kind of stuff. Our next security extension is the Chrome extension version of VirusTotal platform. And actually, in the previous video, we discussed VirusTotal and show a real life example of VirusTotal and how you can use VirusTotal to scan any suspicious IP address, any domain address, any file, any any website, anything actually that you receive from untrusted source. So you can actually use VirusTotal for this kind of purpose. Actually, VirusTotal is also providing a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox, so you can actually install this extension right here. And as you can see, if you are going to download any file, so it will actually capture this file and it will actually send this file to the VirusTotal platform, and you can start investigating and scanning your files before you download these files on your machine. And for any hyperlink inside any web page or inside any email address actually you receive, you can also right click on this email address and just select the VirusTotal extension right here and scan the selected hyperlink, and that's it. As you can see, it will give you actually the result right here, telling you how many of antiviruses has detected this hyperlink, and if it actually a true malicious hyperlink or no.